All right, so I just bought this house. I love this house, don't get me wrong. This right here, this line right here was found behind this wall that I just cut out, and it was kinked right here. All right, that is the condensation line from the air conditioner. It was really tight to get in there, but I looked down the little hole where this was going down and found that it had a curve to it. So I know that it curved at some point. So I was like, all right, it is close to these guys. I was already looking in this hole that was here before, but I couldn't see it because there's a block of wood blocking it from looking up. And then I just said, you know what? I'm gonna cut a hole right here and see where that thing is. The line goes all the way from where we went up the stairs a moment ago. Line comes straight out, kicks over, comes down, and then comes down here, and it's bent into a kink, and that's where the water was settled. And I even tried applying air pressure to it. Thank God that it didn't work, because it would have just destroyed.
I don't think it's necessary to use a vacuum anymore, so I set it up so that I can blow this pipe tube right here, and I close that valve, and it would blow out the pressure the other way. So let's just see what happens. I'm not sure if that did anything. Absolutely.
This is crazy. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes and the dripping stopped. I'm just gonna blast a little bit of air in there, see if it loosens anything up and allows water and debris to come down. Hopefully this works. It seems like maybe it's completely clogged to the point that I can't get air or water in either direction. The only thing I can do is go to Ace Hardware and buy, you know, a few joiners and sticks of PVC to rebuild, and yeah. Run into Ace Hardware. I've got a list of pieces and parts that I think I need. I've never done anything like this before. I'm not a, plumber, never been a plumber, and I'm not a AC specialist or anything like this. I don't really know if I'm hitting 100% of what I'm supposed to be doing, but I feel like I'm at about 98%. So there's one little feeling inside me that's like, hopefully this goes right. It's the doubt, that's all it is. But I'm pretty sure I got this because it seems pretty straightforward, but like I said, never done it before. I'm gonna put all these pieces together and then just dump some water in it and hopefully not ruin my house. I do know that I need about 30 feet of PVC, which is gonna require joiners, which is also gonna require some 90-degree turns. And there is one ball valve on the unit, coming off the unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy another one of those. I know all I need to buy. I just want to make sure, I just hope that I'm getting everything that I need. And I also need the PVC glue, that purple stuff and that glue stuff. I don't know anything about that, but I'm gonna go get some of that. I got all the way to Ace Hardware and started looking at, I've got everything in a little basket behind the register, but it's all 1 inch because the pictures I'm comparing everything to, it looks like 1 inch in the picture, but I mean, when I pick up the PVC pipe, it's 1 inch PVC pipe. I'm just like, this is a beast. It's so much bigger than 3/4 inch. Like, it doesn't seem like it would be, but I just don't think that there's I don't think that there's 1 inch PVC condensation drain coming off that AC. So I got to run all the way back to the house. It's only 5 minutes. I got to run all the way back to the house and measure the PVC pipe to see, or find a marking on it to see if it's 3/4 inch or 1 inch, because I didn't think it felt like it was, a standard size. So I was like, all right, I'll know when I get there. Man, this attic is a mess. I'm telling you, that's 3/4 inch. Yep, 3/4 inch. I think Home Depot's prices are better. That's much better. But Ace Hardware is like 3 minutes from my house. Home Depot is 12. So it's one of those convenience things that gets me. Went out and bought all the pieces. It came out to like $60 something. All right, so here's my plan. I'm gonna take the main tube right here that runs from the box, and I'm gonna cut it right here. I'll go ahead and I'll recreate this piece here all the way back to the far end. And then that's basically as good as I can do as far as giving you information on what I'm about to try to do. Trying to hustle. I fell through the roof. I fell right through the ceiling. So stuff like that kind of happens. But this little thing right here is basically dead now. I've got it completely shut off. I gotta get this thing out of the ceiling. It's nothing but weight. It's just full of debris. And I got the condensation drain running straight from the unit. I got it plumbed now. So now I plumbed it into our master bedroom, and it's going from the attic up there straight down into this little setup right here that we made. Ashley's dad came over, and he knows a little bit about air conditioners. He knows a lot about the electrical side, and then a little bit about the plumbing stuff. I learned a lot, and I feel like he may have learned something from me from learning from YouTube. So I know how to do drywall, but I will never do drywall again unless it's small repairs. I do not like to do patches like this because it's meticulous, it's difficult, and I don't ever want to see that. I don't ever want to see the scar on that because it's already got a scar right here. I don't ever want to see it on the ceiling. So I'm hiring somebody who, is going to put a guarantee on it. And this guy's been doing it for 50 years, so I can't wait to get him out here to fix that. Got the AC fixed, got the grass cut-ish. So we're getting an estimate for a fence, got an estimate for the gutters, and got an estimate for a new driveway, which we don't need, but I got one anyway. Yeah, this is turning into a comfortable little place. I hung all these pictures. Those are just different types of knots, and I did a damn good job if you ask me. It's pretty straight.